So hi friends, welcome to my new video. So today we are going to see how to produce the groundnut oil from the pure wooden machine. So you can see that now the new machine is ready for delivery. So we are going to deliver this machine to Gujarat. So the customer name I'll mention here. So the customer name is Abhishek Gupta. So he's from Gujarat. So we are going to deliver this machine to Gujarat. So you can see that the machine is completely work is completed. So now it's in fully painting, everything is completed. So now it's in a running condition. So it's like 20 kg capacity machine per hour. So we can process groundnut, coconut, sesame, almond, sunflower, everything you can process in this machine. So we are using a 3 HP 3 phase motor, and we can run in single phase also. So you can see this machine, it's fully a wooden machine. So we are using a belt drive to run this machine. So it will be very smooth machine without any noise vibration, it will be running very smooth. So here you can see that the belt drive. So by using this belt drive only, the machine will be running. So there will be no noise or vibration, it will be running very smoothly. So backside also we are using a belt drive. So you can see in the backside also there is a belt we are using. So due to the belt drive, the machine will be very smooth. So there will be no noise or vibration, and the maintenance cost also will be very less in this machine. So you can see in the bottom there's a gear we have given, that's a crown and pinion gear. So to maintain the machine RPM, we are using the gears also. So here you can the crane part. So this is the crane we are using for lifting the crushing wood. So no other manufacturers are using this type of design. So only our special machine we are doing like this. So these are totally a fully wooden machine. So it's a single piece of wood we are using for this machine. So you can see how it's rotating, and it's a pure cold press machine. So no other manufacturers are doing a pure cold press machine, like it's a fully a wooden machine we are manufacturing, and the wood name is we are wagai wood. So the total the drum part and the top wood, so the bottom wood and top wood, everything is made up of wagai wood. So now we are going to make a test run in this machine. So we'll show you the complete procedure, how it will be running, everything I'll show you. So first, to start the machine, first we need to put this lock. So this is the main thing we need to do before you are starting the production. So after putting that drum lock, so we need to put this crushing part inside. So you can see that it's a rotatable crane, so we can rotate the crane 360-degree. So we can move it by a single hand itself, it will be very smooth. So we have given a remote. So that is an up and down remote. So friends, we have given a remote to control the crane. So if you press the button, it will move up and down. So after keeping the crushing wood inside, we can move this crane in the side. And now we need to connect the crushing wood and the shaft in the back side. So we have given a pin for connecting the crushing wood and the rod. So first we need to keep the hole straight, friends. So like if you move front, the rod will be coming front. So the hole should be in a straight position. So after keeping in a straight position, we need to put this pin inside. So this is just a pin, so you just need to insert it properly. So after inserting the pin, so bottom we have given a spring, small spring, so that you should tight first. So normally manually, if you are able to tight how much that you can tight it. So after tightening that, you can see that other machines are getting ready. So these are the gear system we are using. So for tightening that spring, we need a 32 spanner. So we'll be providing this spanner with the machine. So by using this spanner, we need to tie that. So bottom, for this machine we need to tie 6 threads. So after tightening in hand, 3 thread, like how much thread if you are able to tie by using hand, you can tighten it. And after that, by using the spanner, we should tie that bolt nut. So maximum for this machine we need to tie 6 threads. So now we have tightened 6 threads in the small spring. So the back side we have another spring. So now first we need to tie the small spring, and back side there's a big spring is there. So here we need to tie it around like 12 threads. So this is constant. This is constant for every machine. So 12 threads is enough for this our machine. So if you keep 12 threads tightened, so the crushing part will be working fine. So backside if you count the threads, it should be 12 threads. So that's it friends. So the now machine is ready. So here 6 threads, so backside 12 threads. That is enough for this is the only adjustment we should do before starting the production. So now we'll start the production of groundnut. So I'll show you how to run the groundnut in our machine. So now we have added a 15 kg of groundnut. So minimum we can put 12 kg, maximum 20 kg we can process. So now we have added 12 kg of 15 kg of raw material. It's a first quality groundnut. So this, you can see that it's a good quality of groundnut we are using. So the moisture content should be around like 5%. So everyone who is going to produce the oil should have a moisture meter. So you need to check the moisture content of the seed. So then only we should process the seed in our machine. So it should be around like only 5% maximum. So 5 to 5.5 is okay. So now we need to add 1 liter water for this 15 kg of groundnut. So we should slowly add the water. So like most of the customers are doing some mistakes after adding the raw material in the machine, they are not adding water. So immediately after adding the raw material in the machine, and if you started a production, so immediately we should add the water. Like without adding the water, the oil production will not start. So definitely after adding the water, adding the raw material in the machine, so we should pour water. So then only the oil will start coming. So we should not wait for more than 5 to 10 minutes. So within 5 to 10 minutes the oil should start coming. So we should not wait for more time. So you should grind it properly. So within 10 minutes you should get a oil. So we should add a 500 ml starting, and after 5 minutes 500 ml. So within 1 liter the oil should start coming for this 15 kg of raw material. So now you can see friends, so after adding 750 ml of water, so oil started coming in this groundnut. So actually the moisture content of this seed is around like 6%. So within 750 ml of water the oil started coming. So if we dried it fully, it will consume 1 liter of water, but it is having some amount of moisture content. So within 750 ml the oil started coming. So you can see how the oil is coming from the machine, from the groundnut. So you can see that from the small pieces, now it's become cake. From the cake is oil started coming. So this is our machine, it will be running very smooth. So after the oil coming also, you can see that, so there is no vibration in the machine, it is running very smooth. So it's a good quality of machine we are manufacturing in Coimbatore. So we are fully involved only in the cold press machineries. So we are the only person who is using the electric crane for this machine. So no other manufacturers are doing this type of model. So this is our specialty in our machine. So you can see that within 5 to 10 minutes how the oil is coming from the groundnut. It's a pure cold press machine. So no other manufacturers in Coimbatore are doing the fully wooden machine. No, like everyone started doing the rotary type model. But when compared to that machine, so we will be getting the good quality of oil from our machine. So you can see that how pure the oil is, and in other machineries when the oil started coming, it will be directly coming out. So it will have a raw material with that. So the sedimentation will be more in the oil when you are getting the oil directly from that machine. But we should not remove the oil immediately, because it should grind it properly, then only the oil should be removed from the machine, then only the oil quality will be good. So this is an first quality and a good machine to produce the cold press oil. So like when you're planning to buy a machine, so please prefer the pure wooden machine. So it's a pure traditional type of machine we are using for making a good quality of oil. You can see that how the oil is coming from the cake. So it's grinding it properly, and it's fully pressed and the oil is coming out. You can see it like how the oil is coming out from the cake. So it's a very good quality, and perfect machine to make a perfect oil. Like if you're planning to do your business, definitely this is a good time to start a good business. So everyone is looking for an organic one, and it's an pure organic, and good for health also. So definitely you should buy this machine, and you should start your business in your area, like in your city or in your town. So you should have this machine, and you should produce oil from this machine. So this is an first quality machine. So you can see that how the oil is coming out from the drum. So it's a very simple thing to remove the lock. So if you just remove the lock, the oil will start coming from the machine. So very simple procedure only. So no other mechanism we are using to produce the oil. Very simple. Everyone can produce the oil. So that's our main aim. So each and every village, every town, you should have this machine, and every people should have a good quality of oil daily. So that's our aim. So you can see that how the oil is coming from the machine. It's a pure groundnut oil and pure cold pressed oil. It's coming out from the machine. You can see that how easily it's coming out. So no cleaning that hole or anything. You can see that how the oil quality also, and how fast it's coming. Like within 15 minutes we are getting around 5 to 6 liters of oil within 5 to 10 minutes. So at last, like mostly around like half an hour or 40 minutes, the full cycle will be completed. So you can see that how the oil is coming out from the machine. And you can see that we have a filter in that vessel. So we'll be collecting all that raw material. So you can see that inside, so oil has been like it has been like came out through the whole outlet. So now it's only the cake is remaining in the top. So you can see in the bottom the oil is coming out. So it's a pure traditional method, so we are following, and the machine is purely cold press. So if you're willing to produce a pure one and a perfect oil, definitely you should prefer our machine. So if you have any friends in your surrounding who's willing to start a business, so you can definitely suggest this machine. So it will be very good quality machine, and the performance also will be good. So you can see that in the vessel we have kept a filter. So collect all that raw materials, and we'll be putting all that raw material again inside the machine. So you can see that how the oil is coming out continuously from that outlet. So no need of any man work, like it will be very easy to operate by ladies also. So it's a good quality machine, can be run by the ladies also. Very simple machine, and easy to handle. So everyone can produce the oil from the machine, from our machine. So after the oil is removed, we can put the lock again inside. So to get a good quality of oil, and to get a good amount of oil output, so definitely you should buy a good quality of raw material first, because without a good quality of raw material we cannot get a good amount of oil output. So definitely you should prefer only the good quality of groundnut. So you can see that how the groundnut is crushed, and it has become a cake. So definitely without a good quality of groundnut we cannot get a good quality of oil. So definitely when you're buying a raw material, you should prefer only the first quality of raw material, then only you can get a good amount of oil output from our machine. And the oil quality also will be very good. So don't use a low quality raw material, so the oil output also will be very less. So on the operating also it will be very risky. So if you have an good quality raw material, the oil quality will be also good. So now we are removing the lock again. So to remove the oil, so you can see that how the oil is coming out from the drum. So just if you remove that lock, the oil will come out. So no need of using any tools. We have given the tools. Suppose if anything gets stuck in that hole, we can use the tool for cleaning that. But that is not necessary in a machine. But if you're running continuously, definitely a little bit of cake will be stuck in that hole. So for cleaning that, we have given a tools also for cleaning that hole outlet pipe. So you can see that inside the machine it's fully grinded, and it's becoming fully dry. So you can see how easy to produce the oil. So whoever ready to do the business, please call me. I'll suggest you the machine which is better, and how to produce the oil. Like if you need training also, we are ready to give for free training. So we are not charging a single rupees for a training. So if you need to get training in our industry, you can directly visit my industry. We are not charging a single rupees for showing a demo or training in our machine. So we have a demo machine also in my office. So you can directly come and visit my office. You can see how we are producing the oil and how to produce everything. Will explain. So friends, it's almost got completed. You can see that the cake is fully dry and it has become very hard. So like it's fully dried dried groundnut cake. So you can see that oil also we have got. So normally we are getting up to 40 to 40% of oil output from the groundnut. For 15 kg we'll be getting up to 6.5 to 6 to 6.5 kg of oil we'll be getting from our machine. So if you convert into liters, it will be around like 7 liters of oil for 15 kg of groundnut will be getting. You can see the cake also, it's fully dried one. So that's it friends, like a very simple procedure only. So not a big procedure to produce oil. It will be very simple thing only to produce oil. So if you are willing to do the oil business, definitely prefer our machine. So we'll be giving the good quality of machine, and we'll give training also to how to produce the machine. And in our machine, maintenance also will be very less. So you can see the cake also how it is crushed and how the raw material has become cake. So it's fully dried one. So if you need training also, you can visit my industry. So we are ready to give training for free. So after getting fully satisfied about our machine, you can purchase the machine from our industry. And in our machine also, maintenance also very less. So only crushing part need to be changed yearly once, not periodically. Like only yearly once we just need to change the crushing part. So that's the only thing we need to change it. So remaining mechanical parts, everything it will be running for a long time. So at last the cake removing only, it will be like manual work. So remaining everything, oil production, everything, it will be done automatically. So only at the last 5 to 10 minutes we just need to remove the cake from the machine. So that is the only the work we need to do in our machine. So remaining everything, the oil production, everything, it will be done automatically. So no need of any manual work in that procedure when it's running. So you can see that it's fully dried. Okay friends, like that's it, like almost the work is going to be completed. So this is our latest machine, a fully wooden machine with crane model. So if you need to know more details about the machine, please contact me. So with crane we are ready to give the machine. So in best price we can provide you the machine. So if you need to know more details about our machine, please contact my WhatsApp number. I'll give you the all details in WhatsApp, and we'll give the best price in the market. Like we'll be giving the competitive price. Like when compared to the other manufacturers, they are not making a fully wooden machine, but they are saying it is a fully cold press machine. But actually we are the original manufacturers of the cold press machineries. So we'll be giving the machine a competitive price. So if you are willing to buy the machine, please contact me. So we'll give the best competitive price in the market. So you can buy a pure wooden machine. And you can see my company name, it's a Sri Ranga Technologies. So it's my brand name. So we are manufacturing only the cold press oil extracting machineries. So if you need to contact me, please contact 9943012302. So that's my number. I'll repeat it, 9943012302. So if you are willing to purchase this machine, please contact me. So I'll give a full support for your business, for your startup. So in backside you can see that other machines are also getting ready. So within 1 week or 10 days we are ready to deliver the machine to your when the machine will be ready. So if you confirm me the order within 10 days, the machine will be ready. So only the work will be to remove the cake. That's only the manual work in this machine. So after finishing that, we can remove all this and we'll remove the cake. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. Bye.